Welcome to the Know a Member website tutorial. In this video we're going to look at how as a member you can log into the Know a website, you can change your information that you submitted at your application process, you can add a logo, add pictures and even add offers as a member-to-member benefit. So first of all we need to log into the website. So using your mouse head over to the Resources tab where you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Member Management and this will take us to the Member Management portal. Scrolling down the page, you will see the Member Management portal. If this is your first visit to the Know a Member Management portal, you will need to request a password. Clicking this option will give you an email entry box where you can enter the email you submitted as part of your Know a application and then press Request Password. This will forward you an automatically generated password which you can use for your first login, and you can then change this, and I will show you how to do that once we've logged in. So if you're a returning member or you now have your new login, click the sign in button and enter your email address and password. Click sign in and this will take you to your company information. So here we can change and edit information. So for example NOAA, we could change that to become National Outdoor Events Association. If your postcode changes, you change address, or you change email addresses, or you have a change of personnel who are responsible for your Know membership, all of this can be easily changed on the About page. We can also change our password here, so if we click Change Password, simply enter your new password and then save and continue. When you press Save and Continue, this will automatically take you to the next page, which is the Profile page. Alternatively, if no information needed changing on your About page, you could click the Profile button and that will take you there directly. The first two options are for privacy settings. If you wish not to be listed in the directory at all, but wish to be a member of NOAA, then please select the top button. This will remove your listing from the website, and it will also raise a flag so that when the next yearbook is published, you will not be published in the yearbook, even if you renew your membership. The next option, do not show street address in profile. If your address that you've submitted is your registered address, which is not necessarily your main base, or alternatively you would rather not have your street address shown on your profile, then please click this button. This does mean, however, that you will not appear in the search function using the map that is embedded into the website as part of the member search function. The next part is a business card, and this allows you to upload a logo. So simply click or drop file here to upload. So I'm going to click, so that will take you to your file explorer. We go to web tutorial as that's where our stuff is stored, and if I click on NOAA Social, that will upload that logo there as a very nice little business card. You can even say what this is. So social media icon, NOAA logo. Scrolling down again, profile gallery. Upload pictures to your profile. So if you want to showcase what it is that you do as a company, again, click here. So for us, our convention is very important to us, so we're going to use pictures of our convention. You can select multiple files at any one time. However, it will only allow you to upload one at a time. So if we select that one first, and then we can then upload more again. So we'll upload the photo of Samfire Festival and Lead Any, and then our friends from the Tour of Britain 2016. So we've now got 3 photos on the NOAA member profile, and we can scroll down and then we can enter information into the profile description. So this is where you need to tell people about your business and what you do. So for NOAA, we are the UK's leading trade association for the outdoor events industry. We are an association to be proud of in an industry loved by everyone, everywhere. You can format our text, you can make certain bits bold, you can make certain bits italicized. This is very similar to most websites using the WordPress function. your editing options if you wish to undo, cut, copy, paste are in there as well. We can left align, center align, right align. We can add bullets and numbers as well. Social media is very important for most of our businesses, so should you wish to link your social media, we can do that on here. So Facebook is for us, facebook.com/user/Noah. Twitter, twitter.com/Noah News, and then a multitude of others should we wish to. So we can either save and continue, and that will take us to the next section. So the next section along is additional, so I would like to do that because I'd like to finish doing this profile. So we'll save and continue, and that will take you across. So additional contacts and locations. So if you have different offices or you have different people within your company that you'd like to add, you can add those people in. So again, it will give you the same format menu that you had at the start for your company. If you wish to change any of those bits, you're more than welcome to do so. But equally, if you would like that information to be shown to Noah for us to be aware of, then great. If you wish it not to be shown in your public profile, then simply select that button there. So that's shown as orange is highlighted to say do not show this in my public profile. If you wish it to be shown on the public profile, simply deselect that. We are going to cancel that because we don't need to add any more into that. So we'll save and continue, and that will take us to the next page. The next page is deals. So again, all of these are accessible in the tab at the top. So if we're on to deals now, we can upload an image. So add a deal, upload a main image or an existing image to replace, and enter the title below. So here, I think we'll just go for our nice little repeated pattern. Which adds that in there, and it's going to be Noah discounted membership at fake Noah conference 2020. Title layout normal, or you can overlay the image with white text and a black background, or you can overlay the image with black text and a white background. I think we'll keep it at the normal function. This is a test offer. This is for the membership tutorial video. Sadly, no discounted membership will be available at the fake Noah conference. You can add barcodes, you can add QR codes, or any other images that you wish to add. So for us here, we may just add in our logo pattern just for the sake for me to be able to show you what we can and can't do with the website functionality. When it loads in, that's quite a large image. We can create the event. So there we go, that is now there. If we save that as well, just to make sure. So that deal is now available to other members. So if you were, for example, wanting to offer a 20% discount to other members using your services, this is the information that you would enter. If you've got a special code that you would like to use on a ticketing website, you can enter the code here, and only Noah members will be able to view that code, and therefore you know only Noah members will be accessing your services for a reduced rate. So again, we're going to save and continue, and that's it. So we're done now. So we can either return to homepage or we can continue editing. So at this point, I think we'll return to homepage. And that is the Noah profile set up, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.